Yo, what's poppin', Kotini Korner family? How you guys doing? Hope you guys well. Hope you guys are swell, man. So I am so stoked to be back with another episode of Kotini Korner for you guys, man. I know you guys have been loving my styling videos, and I'm sorry I haven't been doing a lot more. But you know what, guys? I wanted to get through the sneakers first because, you know, I love my shoes first, and then obviously after I do the sneaker reviews, I want to style them for you guys. So now we're here for Kotini Korner, guys. So if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. We run 4 segments: Kotini Korner, Sneaker Vault, I Just Caught an L, and Soul Talk. Another episode of Soul Talk will be dropping soon, so don't you guys worry. So today's episode, we will be reviewing the undefeated AF1 in the grey colorway, one of the dunk packs. I didn't manage to get the dunk, but I did get the Air Force 1. So we'll be styling that shoe, and I'll be showing you guys how I styled it, what jeans I will rock, what t-shirts I rock, you know, just to pull off the fit perfectly, just to show you guys. So here is the shoe. Bang, bang, bang. Now as you can see, it's a lovely shoe. The colors are amazing. So what I did try to do when I was styling this shoe was to focus predominantly on the sneaker itself. So it's a lot of light colors that don't throw away from the sneaker itself, but just focus on the shoe. So that was the most important thing that I was trying to pull off for you guys. So I do hope you guys do enjoy the outfit, and you guys can tell me if you guys, what you guys rate the outfit, where you guys will rate the outfit. I will show pictures of the outfit when I am explaining the clothes here, guys, so you guys can get a better view of how the outfits actually fit, how the jeans fit, how the t-shirt does fit itself. So don't be alarmed. You will follow, and I will give you guys a breakdown of each price and how much I did pay for each piece of the outfit. So this shoe I did get on retail. I think I did pay 2,299 rand for it. I do know on the resale market it's going for 3,000 plus, so you can get it for 3K. So I wouldn't be too alarmed with that. So you guys will be fine with that if you guys don't want to break the budget. So it's not too expensive. I know 3K might be a lot, but I mean, for the current sneaker market that we're in at the moment, 3K is reasonably priced at the moment. So yeah, so let me just break down my choice of clothing that I got. So I chose to style it with these beige brown mom jeans. So these are mom jeans. So I've been going through a phase where I've been very much influenced by baggy cropped pants itself, you know, so it's like very Asian-y type of things, and there's no jeans like that in the men's section. Well, not in South Africa. It might be Zara, but not enough for my liking, not like the fit that I want. So I decided to go for mom jeans. So this gives off like a parachute type of vibe, and then like a crops at the bottom, and it gets like a bit thinner at the bottom. So that's really cool. It kind of gives off like a jogger thing, but it's like really baggy, and like it fits perfectly around my thighs because I'm a big boy. So I need to get pants that, you know, loosen my thighs and sit nicely on my waist. So I did get this in a what lady size was this? This is a 14 AU, US 10, EU 42 for ladies size. So let me say I'm a size 14. Let's say I'm a 14 in ladies jeans. And I mean, like, if you guys are not sure how to get it, I mean, when I was at the Cotton On store, the lady helped me out immediately. I asked her, I was like, yo, I'm looking for some mom jeans, and I know they fit like specifically around my thighs, and they fit perfectly. I want them to fit around my thighs, so can you please help me? And she helped me out perfectly fine. So if you guys are looking for those jeans, don't worry, they will help you out. The Cotton On people are really friendly. So I paid about $5.99 for these are quite pricey compared, like, just considering like Cotton On prices, and I did get this from the outlet store, but it wasn't on sale. But I was like so desperate for a pair of jeans that I needed to get these. So yeah, I paid $5.99 for these, and the quality is really crisp, I won't even deny it. I won't even lie. The quality is really crisp, and it fits me perfectly, you know, like I really love the way it fits me. So if you guys are looking for that, you guys can go to the Cotton On store. I do know that they will help you out, because I always say, like, ladies jeans are probably some of the best jeans ever. So I mean, like, bro, like, clothing is meant to be clothing, man. Like, you can pull off a lady's outfit. No, I wouldn't say ladies outfit, but pieces from a ladies section, you know, and people will never know. I don't even think people even know that that these are ladies jeans, bro. Like, when I posted the fit on Instagram, people are like, yo, bro, where did you get this jean? Where did you get the jean? Where did you get the jean? I was like, bro, ladies section in Cotton On, if you guys are really interested in getting it. So yeah, $5.99 for this. And then the t-shirt, I've showed this t-shirt many a times on my styling, but I wouldn't say many a times, but maybe like once or twice, guys. but this is the H&M Rick and Morty top. I really do love it. So when I just like the grays, and it kind of matches the sneaker itself. But when I did style it, I didn't really show off the back piece because I said I wanted the outfit to focus as much on the sneakers itself. So I didn't really focus on that, and I paid about like $2.99 for this, and I bought it at the H&M in Mall of Africa. And I am probably gonna look for more outfits, more t-shirts like that. Look at the boxy fits, and boxy fits very nice for summer. I hate summer because I love layering, and I feel like there's so much more you can do when you're layering an outfit, and the summers is fucking hot, man. It's just I sweat all the damn time. I don't know if you guys can see that I'm sweating right now, so it's just annoying, guys. I hate it. I really hate summer, but this is really nice for a nice summer piece, for the afternoon and stuff like that. So yeah, so if you guys are wondering, so don't forget, the jeans were from Cotton On, the t-shirt was from H&M. I did get the shoes from Nike South Africa, Nike.com. There's a South African. I did get the dub on the sneakers website. And let me tell you guys, let me know in the comment section what you guys do feel for the sneakers, and tell me how you guys rate the fit. Say if you guys will rock that fit, and let me know if you want me to add more fits, and if you want me to drop more fits for the week, fits for the month, fits for the week. I think I might just do the fits for the week. But if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. And if you guys are recurring subscribers, welcome back to Kotini Korner. I know it's been a while since I shot one, but I'm back. I will be doing another styling video. I will drop that. I don't know when, but I will be getting another styling video. I will be styling the Nike Sakai's that I just picked up, so I'm really excited to show you guys how I style those shoes. I really do like the style of them, so I definitely, when I do decide to put an outfit together for those shoes, I will obviously be heavily influenced by Japanese style. Crop pants, baggy pants, the works of stuff like that. So let me know if you want to see that video ASAP. I hope you guys do enjoy the rest of your day. This is Joshua done for Kotini Korner. I'll be out with you guys. Peace.